Good morning, children. This is 10th standard biology. We continue the same lesson, ma. How are you, children? I think you are all fine. Okay, ma. The previous class, what we learned, ma? Yes, the structure of mitochondria. Now we learned the respiration. What is mean by respiration, ma? Respiration involves exchange of gases between organism and the external environment. Respiration involves exchange of gases between the organism and the external environment. So, the gases exchange between the organism and the environment. Gases between organism and the environment. Okay. So that plants obtain that oxygen. Plants get that oxygen from their environment. How to plants get oxygen from that environment, okay? So that oxygen get from that environment and release carbon dioxide and water vapor, and release what, ma? Carbon dioxide and water vapor. So that the exchange of gases, so this exchange of gases is called what, ma? External respiration. This exchange of gas is called external respiration. This external respiration is a physical process. So what is mean by external respiration? Plants get oxygen from that environment and release carbon dioxide and water vapor. This exchange of gases is known as external respiration. It is a physical process. So next one, we see that cellular respiration. So cellular respiration, it only occurs within the cells. Cellular respiration occur within the cells. Cellular respiration only occurs within the cells. It is a biochemical process. Biochemical process. Next one. So this is a cellular respiration is a biochemical process. Here the food is oxidized to get energy. Okay. So this is known as cellular respiration. What is mean by cellular respiration? Food is oxidized to obtain energy. Okay. So this is called cellular respiration. This respiration only within the cell. Occurs within the cells. Okay, that is called cellular respiration. Cellular respiration is a biochemical process. Okay. Next we see that aerobic respiration. Aerobic respiration is a type of cellular respiration. Okay. So aerobic respiration is a type of cellular respiration. Then here that organic food is completely oxidized with the help of oxygen. Into carbon dioxide, water and also energy. Energy is ATP. Okay. So this here what, ma? Here that organic food is oxidized. Here that organic food is oxidized into water, carbon dioxide and also energy. Energy is ATP. Okay. So C6H12O6 plus O2, it gives what, ma? Carbon dioxide, water and energy. It is released. Okay. This is the product. This is aerobic respiration. This is aerobic respiration. Okay. Next we see that stages of aerobic respiration. First process is called glycolysis. First process is called glycolysis. The second one is called Krebs cycle, and third one is electron transport chain. These are the three stages of aerobic respiration. These are the three stages of aerobic respiration. Okay, ma? So that is first stage is glycolysis. The second one is what, ma? First one is glycolysis. The second one is Krebs cycle. The third one is electron transport chain. Electron transport chain. Okay, ma? So the first we see the first stage, that is glycolysis. That is what, ma? Glycolysis. Glycolysis means glucose is breakdown. It is splitting. Okay, yeah, splitting the glucose. So break down the glucose molecules. Okay, so the glucose is break down into what, ma? Molecular glucose is break down into molecular of pyruvic acid. Okay, upon one molecule of glucose into 2 molecule of pyruvic acid. 1 molecule of glucose into 2 molecule of pyruvic acid. This process is called glycolysis. வேறு ஒன்றுமே இல்லைம்மா இதில். கிளைக்காலிசிஸ் அப்படின்னு சொன்னால் குளுக்கோஸ் ஆனது இதா பைருவிக் ஆசிட்டாக சேஞ்ச் ஆகிறதுக்கு தான் பேர் என்ன பேருமா? glycolysis. Glycolysis takes place only in that cytoplasm of the cell. செல்ல எதில் தான் நடக்கும்? சைட்டோபிளாசத்தில் தான் இந்த ப்ராசஸ், இந்த glycolysis ப்ராசஸ் ஆனது சைட்டோபிளாசத்தில் நடக்கும். ஓகே, ஸோ இட் இஸ் த ஃபஸ்ட் ஸ்டெப் ஆஃப் த ஏரோபிக் அண்ட் anaerobic respiration. Okay, aerobic and anaerobic respiration. So glucose split into so glucose on the 3 molecules of glucose splitting, அதாவது break down into 2 molecules of pyruvic acid, that is called glycolysis. This process is called glycolysis. Pyruvic acid CH3 COOH, that is 3 carbon compound. Okay, so H4O3. Okay, amma. So 6 carbon compound C6H12, 6 carbon compound is changed into 3 carbon compound. Okay, yeah.